What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Tray, your favorite spot where tech meets real-life hustle. And today, we're diving into a gadget that doesn't just click, it delivers. This is the Logitech MX Master 3S. And let me tell you, this isn't your basic, boring office mouse. This is what you get when performance, comfort, and precision decide to show off. If you're a coder, a video editor, a creative, or just someone who hates laggy mice and janky clicks, you're gonna want to stick around. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. And while you're at it, smash that like button, subscribe for more real-world tech breakdowns, and let's jump right in. All right, let's talk design. The MX Master 3S, clean. It's got this graphite matte finish that feels smooth, looks premium, and bonus, doesn't attract every fingerprint in the room. The curves are sculpted to fit your hand like it was custom made. Whether you're right-clicking for hours or scrolling through timelines, this thing stays comfy. You get a full-size build, but nothing clunky. It's got that just right weight, solid but not tiring. And the side texture, super grippy without feeling rubbery or sticky. Let's get into one of the wildest features first. Mag speed scroll. This isn't your old school scroll wheel. It's electromagnetic, super precise, and crazy fast. You can scroll through 1,000 lines of code or text in literal seconds, and then stop on a pixel if you want. And it's whisper quiet. It's like the sports car of scroll wheel. Fast when you need it, precise when you need it, silent all the time. Speaking of silent, the MX Master 3S introduces quiet clicks. They've managed to keep that satisfying tactile feel, but reduce noise by 90%. It's perfect if you're working in a shared space, on call, or just tired of sounding like a mechanical keyboard every time you edit a doc. You click, it works. No clack, no snap. Just smooth, clean action. Now let's talk about feel. This thing is ergonomic royalty. The shape naturally supports your hand and wrist. The thumb rest gives you full control with zero strain. Long sessions, no problem. Editing for hours, you won't feel it. There's a thumb wheel on the side for horizontal scrolling, and it's perfect for timelines, spreadsheets, or any wide content. It's the little touches that make a huge difference. Got a glass desk? No problem. The MX Master 3S comes with an 8000 dpi optical sensor that tracks on basically any surface, even glass. Whether you're at your standing desk, kitchen counter, or co-working space, you don't need a mouse pad. That's freedom. And the DPI is adjustable. Go slow for pixel-precise editing or fast for wide movements. You choose. Here's a productivity boost. This mouse can control up to 3 devices across different platforms. Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, doesn't matter. You can connect via Bluetooth or the Logi Bolt USB receiver and switch devices with a single button. Even better, with Logitech Flow, you can literally move your cursor across computers and even copy and paste files between them. Yup, like magic. It's like having one mouse to rule your entire workstation. This is where it gets real good. The MX Master 3S gives you up to 70 days on a full charge. That's over 2 months of work on one battery cycle. And if you're running low, plug it in for just 1 minute and get 3 hours of use. Thanks. USB-C fast charging. It's built for people who hustle, not people who sit around waiting for a mouse to juice up. You're not stuck with the default setup either. With Logi options plus software, you can remap buttons, set up app-specific shortcuts, control the DPI, and more. Whether you're using Photoshop, Premiere, Excel, or your browser, tailor it exactly how you work. It's like turning your mouse into a personal assistant. Here's what you're getting with the MX Master 3S. Wireless connection via Bluetooth or Logibolt. 8000 DPI sensor that works on glass. Ultra-fast mag speed scroll wheel. Quiet clicks, 90% less noise. Ergonomic design with side scroll wheel. Up to 70-day battery life. USB-C fast charging. Multi-device control with easy switch. OS compatibility across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS. And a sleek graphite finish that just screams professional. If you're someone who spends hours at the desk and needs real comfort, works on multiple devices, and hates switching mice, edits, creates, codes, or designs, wants their gear to just work, or can't stand laggy, loud, or limited mice, this is your next upgrade. The MX Master 3S isn't cheap, but it's not overpriced either. You're paying for next-level features, elite build quality, and the kind of mouse that actually feels worth it. So let's wrap this up. You're getting an ultra-ergonomic, super quiet, fast-scrolling, multi-device tracking, high-precision powerhouse that feels just as good as it performs. Whether you're grinding out code, slicing video edits, multitasking like a beast, or just need a mouse that won't slow you down, the Logitech MX Master 3S is a no-brainer. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, drop a comment below telling us what mouse you're using right now, and don't forget to subscribe for more gear that's actually worth your money. Until next time, stay sharp, stay productive, peace out.